Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Kels, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do this super cute crochet kinky hairstyle. So I was super excited because it was actually the first time trying this. I generally do crochet hair, but I have never tried to do a crochet puff, and let me tell you, this came out super well and I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So before I continue into this, just take the time out please to watch it out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So the hair I'll be using today, I already show you, but I'll show you throughout the video, but it with some Afro kinky hair. And let me tell you, this was one of the best experiences in doing hairstyle in a long while. I was super excited to do this, and I don't know, I really love it. So yeah, so let's just get right into the video and how I do this super bomb.
Okay guys, so what I'm going to show you guys first, I'm going to show you guys the braiding pattern that I use for the hairstyle. So basically this braiding pattern, it's the first time I'm trying it. I saw it from another YouTuber and decided to give it a go. So what I'll be doing, I'll be parting my hair into two different sections. I'll be doing a smaller section at the front, and the purpose of this is so that if you want any side part or any middle part or whatever part that you want. So what I did, I started from this center of my head so that I can have a middle part, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make corners all over the front. So basically these two corners that I just did was the center part, and in total I had about 10 corners at the front, one for the middle and the other two for the side, and the other two just there for purposes. So basically that's how it's looking. Now this section is the first I'm trying this. I'm going to do some curve corner. So basically I'll be curving it around, and I think this made it even pretty easier because it helps in the alignment, especially if you want to catch up your crochet hair. This is a very good method to use. So this was actually a plus for me. And let me tell you, my hands did get tired doing this continuously, but nevertheless my hair is thin, so it didn't take that much energy, or it could be the same energy, whichever way, I don't know, but yeah, so just watch out the rest of that part. Okay guys, so these are what the bundles look like, and I use about 2 of these throughout my entire head. So basically these come pre-sectioned. So what I'll be doing for each section I'll be parting it into 2 because I did not want to apply chunky amount to my hair, especially to the front section. So I'll be showing you guys about 3 methods that you can use to put these crochet in your hair. So the first one is you're going to insert your crochet hook from down to upwards, and you're going to pull the entire hair through. Once the hair is pulled through, what you're going to do is you're going to make one single knot like that, boom, just like you're tying a lace or anything. And this is the easiest method to use. So for beginners, I would advise to use this method. Sorry guys. So I'm just going to show you guys one more time how I do this. You're going to insert your crochet hook from the bottom to the top. You're going to add the end of the crochet hair to it. You're going to latch it, and then you're going to pull it straight through. Now once you pull it straight through, you're going to ensure that both sides are equal, because you do not want one to be longer than the other. And then you are going to tie it exactly like a shoelace. Boom. And there it is guys. That's the simplest method, and look how natural that looks. Okay guys, so now I have finished one side and this is how it's looking. So now I'm going to show you guys the second method on how to crochet the hair. So first you're going to take the hair, you're going to stretch it out, you're going to fold it into two sections. Once you fold it into two sections, you're going to do the same thing by inserting the crochet hook from the end to the top. You're going to loop it through. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to add, like just like that, you're going to add back the end of the hair through the hoop, latch it, and then you're just going to pull it right through. So that's like what kind of knot? That's, I would say that's like an army lock or army knot, I don't know, but basically that's what you did. So let me just go through it one more time. You're going to insert the crochet needle from the bottom to the top. You're going to have the hair folded into half. You're going to draw it through, then you're going to pull the entire end of the hair back through the loop, and that is how it's done, and it's giving you that same natural look as the first method did. So I'm just going to show you guys one more time, and you can just watch the video and see exactly how I do it. Alright guys, so I had a change of scenery because I had some lighting issues. So I'm going to show you guys the third method now, and this method you will use it when you want the hair to look more invisible and even more naturally coming from your scalp. So I'm just going to do this to the middle section. So the same first process is apply. You insert the needle from the bottom to the top. You are going to fold the hair into half. You're going to latch it, pull it through, but this time you're not going to pull the entire end through. You're just going to pull one single end through and knot. And look at that, guys, already. What it is doing is that the when you pull one through, it is laying flat over the hair to make it look like it's coming from your scalp. So let me show you guys one more time, and then you can just watch all the rest of it. So you're going to insert the needle from the bottom to the top. You're going to fold the hair into half, pull it through. You're going to then just take one end of the hair and tie it. So you can just watch that, guys, for the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, because I really enjoyed making this video for you. And
yeah, it was very awesome to me. So if there's anything that I could have done better, please to comment down below, let me know and I'll try it again. Follow me on social media on Instagram at Kel's Buzz. If you try this hairstyle, you can comment on my, or you know, hop in my DM on Instagram. Let me know if you tried it and I'll repost it. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you really love it and you want to check out my other videos, also hit the notification bell. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one.